Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to select a different voice in Claude AI. So to start, open Claude in your browser and sign in. Next, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Next, select Settings. Next, go to General on the left side. And under General, you need to scroll down and find the voice option. Next, so here you have language. So you can choose a language. You have English, French, German, etc. Next, you have style. So click this arrow right here and choose your preferred voice from the available options. So you have airy, buttery, glassy, rounded, and mellow. Now, if you want to listen to it, you can hover over to this sound wave icon.
We can chat while you are on a walk, in the car, in line for coffee. I'll come along for the ride.
Next, let's listen to buttery,
In voice mode, we'll just talk it out. I'll wait for you to be done chatting and then I'll.
mellow,
Worst places for voice mode: libraries, solemn ceremonies, a silent meditation retreat, and a
so let's choose airy for this one. Next, you need to change the speed so you have normal, fast, and slow. So choose what you prefer. You can choose fast or whichever you prefer.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
And that's basically it. So that's how you can select a different voice in Claude AI. So again, just go to your profile, then go to General and scroll down and look for voice and go to Style and click this R right here to view the available options. And if you want to listen to it, just hover over to the sound wave icon,
We can chat while you
just like that. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.